In today's online world, the importance of dental practice blogs rank right up there with social media. But should they really? The online marketing environment is constantly changing, and yesterday's must do's turn into today's don't do's. There are some guidelines for blogs, including dental blogs, that will ensure your blog continues to produce as part of your overall marketing effort. I'll share some of those recommendations right after the break. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching the Patient Attraction Podcast. I'm Colin, receiver. At SmartBox, we're firm believers in the power of dental practice blogs, but only in the context of an integrated dental marketing system. Our team of expert writers provides content for most of our dentist blogs, so we have to stay abreast on what makes blogs work and also what could be the kiss of death. An article that appeared in late 2017 gathered feedback from over 1,000 bloggers. And not all of what they found applies to dentists. You're not writing an entertainment blog after all. But there are some things that should serve as food for thought. First, around 2/3 of bloggers said that the posting daily or even multiple times a day was very effective. Now that sounds great until you realize that the average blog is now over 1,100 words. Try sitting down and writing a 1,000-word article and see how long it takes you. The vast majority of dentists would struggle writing one article a week, much less one a day. In fact, the bloggers who report the most success say they spend around 6 hours on each post. And the average amount of time for regular bloggers to write a post is over 3 hours. Devoting that much time to something dentists simply can't afford. After all, dentists make money by seeing patients and solving their dental problems, not writing blogs. But dental blogs don't need daily postings. Twice a week is generally fine. So it makes sense to outsource your blog writing to a professional who understands dentistry, most importantly, understands dental patients, and can help you to keep you doing the dentistry. Here are some tips that your blog writer needs to be aware of. First off, bloggers report that posts with one or more image attracts more readers. Given the length of posts these days, that makes a lot of sense. When it comes to online reading, keeping their attention is crucial. Graphics and photos break up that wall of text and help hold attention. Now, there's considerable evidence to suggest that stock photos are generally less effective than real photos. However, SmartBox's experience is that well-chosen stock photos can be acceptable on many dental blogs. Your writer should have access to a good library of stock photos. And be sure that his or her rate per post includes the images because stock photo cost can add up quickly. Now, once your blog has a good number of posts, consider having your writer update selected posts periodically. Updated posts are treated as new content by Google, which can help your search engine result page ranking. Now, I mentioned earlier, dental blogs are effective only when they're part of an integrated marketing system. So paying someone just to write blog posts is probably a waste of your money. If you're looking for maximum return on investment in the form of more and better patients, SmartBox's industry-leading patient attraction system is for you. Dr. Michael Abernathy, founder of Summit Practice Solutions, is a big fan and a referral source of ours. He said, quote, "I can say with all confidence that Colin knows what he's doing to leverage the internet to help dentists attract more and better patients. We use him, and probably the greatest endorsement I can give is that we encourage all of our clients to work with Colin because we want them to be successful. His systems guide you on how to attract potential patients to your website, what kind of blogs and videos and content and pictures to put on your website, and how to keep your name in front of potential patients and turn them into paying patients." Now, if you want to learn what SmartBox's patient attraction system can do for your practice, check out our website and schedule a practice discovery session. These are no obligation complimentary sessions for dentists that are willing to invest 25 minutes to see what the future of their practice could look like. We can help you attract more and better patients, and a whole lot of expertly written posts for your dental blog are a good start towards achieving that. Join me for our next podcast. Until then, keep moving forward.